tip for you. When I'm applying my Bin Shellac Based Primer using this roller, I use the roller to get into all the crevices. You wouldn't think that it actually does any detail work like this, but these rollers are very flexible. They're high density foam rollers, and they can definitely get into tight little spots. You can use the tip as you would a brush. Okay, that sounds weird. But what I'm trying to say is use the roller as you would roll on the flat surfaces. And when you come to the detailed parts, try using the tip to get the paint in there, because I find it works really, really well. In fact, I rarely need to take out a paintbrush to get into any of the crevices because I just use the foam tip of these rollers and it works beautifully. The only thing that I would add to that is when you're using the tip of the roller to get into smaller spaces or crevices, etc., just always kind of backtrack to make sure there are no drips. This way you'll end up with a smooth finish every time.